In this video, we will cover the CO picking and unpicking function in Axecute. The CO picking feature allows you to perform picking of a customer order item and move it to a packing or staging location before shipping out. Use this function when the item must be moved to packing location for packing activity before the shipment, or there are no strict allocation rules for the item and the item has been completed in advance of the delivery date. To perform a CO picking, at the home page, click on the Outgoing button. Select CO picking. At the customer order picking page, select the warehouse to perform the item picking. Click on the search button to select the customer order to pick. You must specify a staging location to pick the item to. A staging location is a temporary location for packing or other assembly activities before the item is shipped to the customer. Scan the location barcode label in the warehouse to input the staging location. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, Axecute will display all open customer order lines ready to be picked. You can then proceed to select the corresponding line to pick. In the picking page, verify that the item details are correct. Use your mobile device to scan the item barcode label to verify that you are picking the correct item. Scan the location barcode label on the rack to input the picking location and the lot number barcode on the item label. You can update the unit of measure to carton and enter the carton quantity if you have a unit of measure conversion set up earlier in Axecute. Click on the Process button to confirm the picking. If the picking is successful, a success message will be prompted. If needed, you can print a label for the item that you have picked. In the case where a customer has cancelled the order or has changed the ordered item, you are allowed to perform a reverse transaction on the item that has been previously picked to a staging location and return the item back to the warehouse storage. To do this, at the home page, click on the Outgoing button. Select CO Unpicking. Select the warehouse to perform the unpicking. Click on the Search button to select the customer order. Select the staging location where the item has been picked to. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, Axecute will display all the customer order items that have been picked. Select the item that you would like to unpick by clicking on the line. Use your mobile device to scan the item barcode label to verify that you are picking the correct item. Scan the location barcode label on the rack to input the warehouse location where you want to return the item to. Enter the quantity to unpick, and click on the Process button. If the unpicking is successful, a success message will be prompted. Thank you for watching this video.